Oh, yeah, I just got my name put on this company. Yep. Yep. Yeah, but, well, that's what he said she was gonna do. So I don't know.